Okay guys, before and after. Bitch, I'm screaming. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my sister. Welcome back to Myra Just a Boo. Myra Just a Boo, man. Day 364. Okay guys, today I am doing a little makeover on my sister. She's doing a shoot.
I mean, it's not like a full makeover, it's like just my face.
Well, kind of is a makeover.
Well, yeah. I mean, if y'all about to see the before, it was actually tragic.
I have no makeup on, by the way guys. I look tragic. But
we have a photo shoot today for Craft City and I needed a subtle, natural look, but I needed to look put together.
yes.
And Myra beat my face real quick. We're gonna obviously change once we get there.
I'll sometimes do her makeup when we do these shoots, but you know, I wanted to film it today. Obviously, we're posting every single day. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's get started.
So on her eyes, I'm gonna use the Dream palette. It's really early right now, guys.
So you guys, Myra's debating she should do 25 days of Thanksgiving cooking every single day with her
Shut
mom.
the f up. I'm gonna take Caramelito. Here we go. What kind of look are we going for?
We're going for a very soft plan today.
She's doing a shoot, guys, with Craft City. I'm doing her makeup. Sometimes for her shoots, I'll do her big face. We don't do anything like extreme dramatic, just because, you know, we still want to keep it kid friendly.
No, it's just keeping it like
Practical.
simple and
It's just like a clean, simple look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Tacos and Chill.
I'm gonna take the color, eat my and put that in my freezer. Now I'm gonna take the color, Rise and Shine. I'm so used to waking up this early and starting to edit that like I'm not tired.
Ew, no, I don't even wake up this early.
Oh my god, this number's been calling me for a week now, and I think I don't know who the it is.
Just pick up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab Milagro, which is like a lighter gold beige. I'm gonna pop this on her lid. We're keeping it like still kind of soft, kind of not like softer glam. So we're definitely not like doing anything more dramatic than this. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Fearless, which is just this black shadow, to kind of smoke out her lower lash line. Sorry, not the lower lash line, just to give it a little bit of shadow because we're not gonna be doing liner.
God, why must you bless you with horrible head?
I look like a literal like monster. Okay guys, I'm gonna apply these Baddie B Sugar Baby lashes. Use code Myra for 10% off.
I can't even look at myself.
Okay, look up. I'm gonna just wipe off all this little fallout. Yeah, I think it does. Her brows are like lopsided. I was like, bitch, she fixed it. I'm so dead right now, guys. Like, it's so early. We have been so busy. We barely got any sleep. I'm gonna use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist.
She needs to be soaked in baby oil.
I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match, and this is in the shade
It's only hydration we're
N3.
using, right?
Yeah.
Tell me irrelevant.
I'm fucking screaming.
Wait, could they see in here?
Yeah, yeah.
They totally can.
They're cleaning the windows.
That's insane, y'all.
That's so scary, like being actually up there.
Fun story, when we were all working here, doing videos, we were all really quiet for like literally 5 minutes, and they were like having, like you heard them like moaning and stuff.
And Peter was like literally had the mic on the f***ing wall and you could hear them f***ing. Okay, now we're gonna take the Benefit Boy Concealer and the number 4. I'm gonna use the
You're like, here's the f***ing camera on, like I f***ing like, oh.
I'm gonna use the Tarte Shade Tape Powder. This thing is bomb. I don't know how we brought it up, but we're talking about eating. And I could never. If you do, go the f
I
up.
wouldn't, yeah, I don't.
Do you think Kylie Jenner gets her thing?
I'm
1,000%.
sure she does.
1,000%.
With that body, I'm sure she does.
I mean, it's a place that has in it. I don't get it.
You just have to
Does
get
it feel good?
Yeah, it's like getting a little tickle.
I could totally see Cardi B getting her ass ate and like living for it. I'm gonna take the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. We're gonna snatch the
Honestly, f***ing tragic. It would be so much better if it was zoomed out. It's so tragic.
At least the lighting is so good though.
Yeah.
The moon is lit right now. Like,
We've got a full moon right now.
Honey, you're brightening up LA. Just think about it. You're the reason LA is bright right now.
okay, Myra, I really have like 30 minutes to do my hair. Please don't you have a curler with you, because I didn't even bring a straightener. I don't know what I got here.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Tarte blush and Blissful. Pop this on the little cheeks.
A little? She's a moon.
Do you think Kim Kardashian gets her thing?
hard to tell.
Okay, I'm gonna take the Kylie Snow Angel.
She was like, I can't, I don't know how to twerk, I don't twerk.
Wait,
But
what?
then again,
Oh,
What does
People
acid
are there.
have to do with twerking?
true.
I mean,
don't knock it till you try it, sister.
weird.
So you've never got your like on a dirty day?
That's the only thing I don't allow.
You make sure you're like nice and washed.
Yeah, like clean, fresh out the shower.
Just like that breath.
Bitch, I'm done.
Screaming. Isn't it funny? Like how our breast smells like it's the thing connected to her.
Our mouth is not gonna.
Well,
Have you guys seen that one? This guy jumps off the building or something, or falls off the building, and the hole goes through his like out his mouth. I don't know if you guys ever. It's like in Japan.
I hate when people retweet some crazy shit on Twitter. Like people getting killed or anything. I'm like, why? I don't want to
Why
see
the
it.
fuck are you retweeting that? That are porn. Like I get it, y'all horny,
Oh
but
my
fuck.
god! I be swiping in front of my family. There's this bitch bouncing on a guy. I'm like, why is this on Twitter? It's just so no filter.
No filter.
Dead ass, no filter. Do you think Shane Dawson gets his ass ate?
No, I think he eats right. Oh my god, you think Jeffree Star eats that?
100%.
1,000.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do her lips. I'm gonna take this lip liner by Make It Forever.
Oh my god, that angle
Number
is
14.
jumping.
This is sad, Mariana. I don't know if I'm doing this right.
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna take this liquid lipstick by MAC in the color Back and Vogue. This is a lip duo for sure. Open up, bitch.
Open up the safe.
She's like,
You want to put it on?
Sure.
Rita, do you have a steamer here?
yeah.
Okay, cool, take it.
I'm good.
You brought the clothes back. Can you please tell me you were not expecting for me to bring it? Peter brought it up.
The what?
I'm just kidding.
Oh my god, I literally had a heart attack. I was like,
What would you do, Peter?
I would f***ing cry. I would be like, I'm driving over there right now. I wouldn't even know what the f*** to
I'm
do.
driving over there.
Go to Target. We're going to Target, buy new clothes.
Okay, now I'm gonna take this KKW Juicy Lip Gloss. Put some juicy lips. I'll smack them up.
It's gonna be enough, but I need to do
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jeffree Star Mist just to complete the
I have
look.
about 5 minutes to do my hair, man. Alright, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We're running a little bit late, but you know, honestly, also like we are not, like my hair is not fully done. But give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. I know she started a little stressed. I hope that you guys, we're running so late. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.